Hi, this is Luis Casco, Mary Kay's Global Beauty Ambassador, and I want to show you a beautiful day look that is built to last. So it all begins with skin, and let's talk about skincare. And we will start by applying a little bit of the day cream called Time-Wise 3D. Okay, so I like to put it like this, and then it's the perfect excuse to give yourself a little face massage. After that, we will use the eye cream. So when you apply your eyeshadow, everything is going to look seamless and your skin will be hydrated. Now, for the lips, Mary Kay makes a satin lip set that has shea butter. Then the next thing is shea butter lip balm to give your lips TLC, or that little treatment. So there you have it. She's prepped with Time-Wise 3D and satin lip set on the lips. This is going to help your makeup last and stay on. All right, so let's go with starting on the skin. So we're going to use Mary Kay's Time-Wise foundation in matte. If you're wearing your hair pulled back, here's a great pro tip. Make sure that you also cover your ears. And you want to make sure that the skin looks even. Okay, so the next step will be to give a little bit of light to the face. So I'm using Mary Kay's Dual Cheek Color in Ripe Watermelon, which has a highlighter. So I'm gonna use it in the highest points of your face. I'm using it right here. By blending it with the foundation, I'm creating sort of a formula that will last through the day and that it looks more natural on. So the next step is to conceal and correct. So I'm going to use Mary Kay's concealer in light ivory, putting just a dot of concealer in that area. But what I'm doing is illuminating that area and basically canceling out any darkness that you may have. This cream concealer brush is a synthetic brush. So the goal is that we're creating that perfect, flawless canvas everywhere. All right, so now we're finishing up the eyebrows. And what I'm doing is I'm taking an angled brush and sort of brushing through them. And I take some of that concealer and I make sure that the shape is perfect. So let's start with the eyes. This is Biscotti by Mary Kay. So you take a clean eyeshadow brush and I take an eyeshadow, this is called Cinnabar, and tapping right on the lid, and then I will twist it to the other side and do the other eye. And we just use a clean brush to blend. The next step is eyeliner. I'm going to start with some black eyeliner. As you can see now, I'm using a smudger brush that has a point to just smudge that line so that it looks more natural. And then I'm taking a black eyeshadow. This is Mary Kay's Chroma Fusion eyeshadow in Onyx. Now, if you really want an eyeliner to stay, I would recommend to use an eyeshadow over it to seal it, because any cream or pencil texture, if you put an eyeshadow in a powder form over it, it will act like a sealer. What we're doing is we're just gonna press it right over the eyeliner. So now we'll curl her lashes, and then I'm gonna use Mary Kay's Lash Love waterproof mascara. Perfect, and that's a pretty daytime eye look. So now let's do blush. I'm using Mary Kay's Shy Blush. So it's got a little indentation here that I can actually push down like this and create a fan shape. So I'm going to start with the fan shape right under the cheeks and go up and softly go on round motions to give a really flawless application. So now that I've applied all those products on the skin, I'm going to do a little bit of finishing spray. I do an X and a T form. That way we get it all over the face. And we'll let that dry as I do the lips. Now, on the lips, we have a nude lip called Taupe That, which is Mary Kay at Play. Number one, for those of you that want your lips to stand out more, it really adds to that fleshiness of the lip, and at the same time, creates that focus on the eyes. So that's a classic daytime look that's here to last. with a nude lip. So now I'm gonna show you how to bump that look up just a little bit by changing the lip. You can add a color like this one, which is called Vivid Violet, right over the lip, creating an ombre effect. So remember, these lipsticks are created to be totally blendable. And then the very last thing I would do is I will take a nice little bit of bronzer and I will almost contour them just a little bit deeper. And again, let's carry it down the neck. And here she is, a day to afternoon look that's gonna be there to stay.